Hey everybody, happy Halloween, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, then welcome for the first time. So this is going to be a video announcing the winner of the OneTail Plus. I had posted a video earlier with the OW Armor Cobra Grip Pad install, and in that video I announced that I was going to be giving away my OneTail Plus, and that all you had to do in order to win was subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below indicating that you wanted to win, and I would draw the winner on Halloween. So here it is, Halloween, and let's get the winner. Alright, so drum roll please. Okay, congratulations, Aaron Lishman. Congratulations. Thanks everybody else for taking the time to watch the video, to leave the comment, to subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys enjoy the Onewheel videos I put out, and I will continue to get new accessories and new items for the Onewheel as they become available, if it's something that I feel is going to enhance the experience of the Onewheel. And there's a good chance, a very good chance, that as I get those new accessories that I'll continue to give away my other ones. So definitely, if you're not subscribed and you want to have an opportunity of winning some other Onewheel accessories in the future, definitely subscribe and definitely click the bell so that you get notified when I do upload another Onewheel video, and maybe that's the one that's going to have another giveaway. So thanks again to all of the viewers and all of the subscribers. Thank you for leaving the comments. Better luck next time for those that didn't win. Congratulations again, Aaron, and yeah, happy Halloween, and I'll see you guys next time.